Let me show you guys something, all right? This ride height is perfect, but this right here, this is a no. We get it, custom wheels are expensive. Sometimes you find the perfect wheel, but the offset's wrong. Or let's say you love your stock wheels, but the fitment just isn't there. Well, today we're going to talk about what to look for when shopping for wheel spacers and how the Eibach PRO-SPACER system works. Now, because there aren't any regulations on wheel spacers, there are a lot of unsafe options on the market today. From poor quality of materials and manufacturing, you can actually do more harm than good. Fortunately, Eibach wheel spacers use a high tensile strength aluminum alloy and grade 8 hardware. Now, these spacers are tested against Germany's stringent TÜV laws and are certified for safe road use. What's also important is choosing a wheel spacer that fits tightly to the hub to reduce any type of vibrations or false torque readings. We use precision tolerances on all of our wheel spacers to ensure the perfect balance when installed. Eibach offers hundreds of applications that we break down into two different types, pass-through and bolt-on. Here's how our part numbering system works. I know our wheel spacer part numbers are pretty lengthy, so we're just going to break it down into two simple sections. That second number right there, that's going to be your system type. Right after that is your width. Our pass-through systems slide directly over your extended studs, whereas our bolt-on system will bolt directly to the hub, followed by your wheel. And just a heads up, due to different wheel thicknesses, systems 1 and 2 do not include any hardware in the box. However, we do offer a wide range of hardware to choose from to suit your needs. Whichever system you choose for your car, we offer both the spacer in black or silver. Check the links below for tips on choosing the right spacer for your vehicle, installation instructions, or visit eibach.com for more info.